Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk through the proper steps of how to replace a drum liner on a dryer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and replace the drum liner on this drum. First we have to get this liner off, and it is glued in place. I like to grab a little pick tool and you wedge it in between the liner and the drum itself, break the seal, and then just work it through. Once you get it worked through, you can then grab it and start pulling the drum liner off. Okay, now when we go to replace this seal, we're going to start it out on the dryer. The thing that's going to make your job really easy on this repair is to have a pair of vice grips. You're going to clamp the seal in place and then begin to work the seal around the drum. If you have multiple pair of vice grips, it will make it easier. You can then vice grip it as you go around. Once you get the seal in place, you're going to get a high temp adhesive that will come with the seal, and you're going to put the glue up underneath. Has a really thin head on it. Put it up underneath and then glue this seal in place and let it dry. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked through the process of how to replace a drum liner on a dryer.